Have you ever looked at a glass of milk and wondered how a cow turns plain green grass into a nutrient-rich white liquid? It's not just biology. It's a high-tech internal factory working today. We are going inside the cow to see the incredible science of how milk is actually made. The journey starts at the mouth. A cow spends about 6 to 8 hours a day just eating. But here's the catch. Cows don't actually digest grass the way we digest food. They have a massive four-compartment stomach. The biggest part, called the rumen, is like a giant fermentation vat holding up to 50 gallons of food. Inside this tank, billions of tiny bacteria and microbes break down the tough plant fibers that humans can't process. As the grass breaks down, it's converted into volatile fatty acids and proteins. These nutrients are absorbed into the cow's bloodstream. This is the golden rule of milk production. Milk isn't made from grass, it's filtered from blood. The nutrients traveling in the blood are the raw materials for the final product. Now, let's look at the actual factory, the udder. If you look at an udder from the outside, it looks like a simple bag, but inside it is a complex network of tissues and plumbing. The most important parts are millions of tiny, grape-like structures called alveoli. These are the manufacturing units. To make just 1 gallon of milk, the cow's heart has to pump an incredible 500 gallons of blood through the udder. That is a massive amount of physical work. As the blood flows past those tiny alveoli, the cells grab the water, minerals, proteins, and fats from the blood. They then chemically reassemble them into what we recognize as milk. For example, a specific protein called casein and a sugar called lactose are created right there in those cells. They don't exist anywhere else in the cow's body. But how does the milk get out? This is where the brain takes over. When a calf starts to nurse or a farmer starts the milking process, the cow's brain releases a hormone called oxytocin. This is often called the love hormone. Within seconds, oxytocin travels through the blood to the udder and tells the tiny muscles around the alveoli to squeeze. This push forces the milk out of the microscopic cells and down into larger collection areas called cisterns, eventually reaching the teats. This process is extremely sensitive. If a cow is stressed, scared, or uncomfortable, her body releases adrenaline, which blocks the oxytocin. If that happens, the milk stays locked inside the cells. This is why modern dairy farmers focus so much on cow comfort happy. Relaxed cows literally produce more milk. The final result is a complex biological cocktail. The white color comes from the way the protein and fat droplets scatter light. The creamy texture comes from the fat globules that were filtered out of the bloodstream just minutes before. It is a miracle of engineering. A cow takes solar energy stored in plants, processes it through a 4-stage fermentation system, filters it through a high-pressure blood network, and uses complex hormones to deliver a perfect, nutrient-dense drink. So, the next time you pour a glass of milk, remember, you're looking at the result of one of the most efficient and hardworking factories on the planet. Thanks for watching. If you found this deep dive into nature's chemistry fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns of the hidden science in our everyday lives. See you in the next one.